for Karim Benzema. No threat and no danger, but Karim Benzema. In the end, he's lost out to Sergio Ramos, who has been caught here by Stepanenko's in big trouble. Cautioned in the first half, it's a second yellow. Still with Benzema. Ronaldo! Fantastic block by Serna. Real Madrid looking for a penalty kick. For Real. Was there ever any doubt? 5 in La Liga. More attempted there by Fred. Oh, is that a handball? And the answer is yes. He leaves Ronaldo with a chance to do it again. A second goal from the penalty spot. It's a terrific edge, it's a fine stop, and Ronaldo is following up. That's the hat-trick for Cristiano Ronaldo.
It's in shape. It's Cristiano Ronaldo with all the time in the world to score. Malmo's game plan going out of the window. Picked off by Real Madrid. Lucas, and there's the touch from Ronaldo that draws him level with Raul, right at the top of Real Madrid's all-time goal-scoring charts. Mata's cross here for Cavani. His first Real Madrid's left foot here. Di Maria has taken a deflection, and that could have ended up anywhere. Charge down and Marcelo for Ronaldo, and this might be it. Oh, that was the chance for Cristiano Ronaldo. Oh, good ball to Ibrahimovic. No, misses that far post by a whisker. 2 games to spare. It's a good ball in. No, it's round the corner. Osama, he reacted so well from this shot from Kroos. Cavani's in a great position here. Edinson Cavani! And Varane is not sure it was going in anyway. He is off his line so quickly. Oh, Bale's got there first. Ronaldo. 1-0 to Real Madrid. Another milestone goal for Cristiano Ronaldo. The 450th of his club career. Able to hold it up and try and work the angle. He's found Modric, who finds the net for 2-0. Counter-attacking football of the highest order from Real Madrid, who double their advantage. Carvajal clipping it in and finding the net superbly. All of a sudden, Real Madrid are running away with it. 2 goals in less than 3 minutes. Bale taking on Dentinho, and Ronaldo at the second attempt makes it 4-0. Again, it was just too easy. Taking on Carvajal, the support is now arriving as Casemiro with the challenge. It's a penalty. Just squeezes it in past Kiko Casilla. All decks amongst those 4, and it's in again. Dentinho. Tyson. Teixeira. And that's 3 of them. Surely not. Surely Real Madrid aren't going to blow a 4-goal lead. This is going to cross it, and Isco off the line and in by Benzema. Real Madrid in front through Karim Benzema. Oh, what a magnificent header. 2 goals for Karim Benzema. 2 assists from Ronaldo. He has beaten him. Ronaldo with his 85th Champions League goal, but you'll have to put that down as a mistake. 4 wins in a row. Here's Ronaldo. Can't miss from there. Real Madrid stretch out into a 4-0 lead. Let's say Ronaldo could be on for the hat-trick, and is. Another Champions League hat-trick. Another hat-trick in the famous white shirt. Isco. And there's Ronaldo. He scored again. 4 for Cristiano Ronaldo. 6 for Real Madrid. And it's oh so easy. Away from Levitsky. Blocked by Wieland. And Kovacic makes it 7. Is 9-0. Might get one short of that now. They do. It's a hat-trick for Benzema. 8-0.
He's down here. It's Ronaldo against Florenzi. And Ronaldo hits it. Deflected in. But it's Cristiano Ronaldo's goal. Number 12 in this season's Champions League. And at last, just like. Talking of attacking threats, it's Ronaldo. And that. Now Checo. Offside netting. Still going, he's running a long way, and he's scoring a brilliant goal. It's the young substitute Hesse.
Sharawi with him, and it falls here for Checo. What a chance for Roma, and what a chance wasted by Checo. Go, and Salah might be in here for Roma. Out comes Navas. Another opportunity squandered by the Italians. Ramos gets a foot in, breaks here for Salah. What an opportunity, they missed another one. Scarce who can have a go at Dini for the first time and deliver some quality in to Cristiano Ronaldo. The substitute made it, and Real Madrid's ace marksman finished it. Here, and he gives it to James Rodriguez, and Real Madrid are in for 2, and that's exactly what they get. Ronaldo the provider, James Rodriguez on target this time. And now Lucas Vazquez, Cristiano Ronaldo. There's a collector's item for you.
Face to face with Dante. Benzema. Good plunging save. Bale. Sliced across it and wide. It's Draxler's pullback. Schürrle's gone to ground. And the referee has given a penalty against Casemiro. Rodriguez scores. And the Wolfsburg dream is alive. And the 10 times European champions are behind. And 30,000... Picking up Bruno Henrique. And set in for Maxi Arnold. It is a heavenly start to the tie for Wolfsburg. Okay, kept it from him and fed Andre Schürrle. Massive, massive chance, which got away in a trice. Forward, plenty else besides. Nicked on by Ramos and onto the top of the crossbar and behind. He's been able to advance and played in for Cristiano. And Real Madrid are halfway back. Close. Ronaldo! They've done it in a hurry. Goal ready. Close with the corner. Stopped on the line from Ramos. They look the official. Ronaldo. Beautiful. Beautiful. Something close to genius. He's turned the tie around.
Peter.
That is an even better save from Bernabeu, who had to adjust late and extended a finger. Aguero lights it up. Danny Carvajal. And the header hits the bar from Hesse. Shoot on his left foot. He's coming back, never quite peeled. Zidane, nothing more to say. Casemiro, saved by Hart. Well, it's a corner. Arriving in the middle, Hesse's already in there. It's Ronaldo. Anyway, and there it is. Real Madrid are happy. Joined that Atletico defensive wall. What's a wonderful save. Fantastic stop by Oblak. Pepe ready to make his move on by Bale. And bundled over the line. Sergio Ramos, who scored Real's late equaliser in Lisbon, has put them in front in Milan. Here's Griezmann. Well, the Frenchman wants to shoot at every opportunity, and Griezmann looking for Fernando Torres. It's a penalty. Debatable decision. It's Griezmann, and he's thundered it against the underside of the crossbar. A missed opportunity for Atletico. But Godin is the target, and he managed to get there. And Savage has just jabbed that wide. And they leave themselves open, I fear. Manfred!